Every week on YouTube, you will see videos about the latest trending KDP niche or the latest tool feature that's supposedly going to make you thousands of dollars. But here's the truth. Following those trends blindly is one of the fastest ways to fail on Amazon KDP. Let me explain why. There are some tools out there that make creating ready-made KDP books really easy. I'm not going to mention names here, but I'm sure you have seen them being promoted. And look, I actually respect the people who created these tools. It takes a lot of time, money, and risk to build them. I also completely understand why they need to promote their tools through YouTube and social media. It's smart business. And I also understand the YouTubers who promote them. Honestly, I think many of them don't even use the tools themselves. But here's the thing, making money from YouTube ads alone isn't as much as most people think, especially when you compare it to the time it takes to create a video. Only a couple of KDP related channels make really good money from views. That's why smaller channels often rely on sponsored products to add some extra income, and they also create clickbait thumbnails designed to make you click and get them more views. But here's the problem. When these tools launch a new feature, you will notice something interesting. Multiple YouTube channels suddenly start talking about it, all at the same time. The same thing happens with the niche ideas. Channels share niches with these exaggerated income claims like, you can make $10,000 a month. And what happens? Thousands of beginners see these videos, get excited, and jump in at the same time. They buy the tool, they publish the same type of books, or they rush into the same niche. But what they don't realize is this, because so many people are doing the exact same thing, competition explodes. In Amazon KDP, timing matters a lot. There is this short honeymoon periods where your book has the best chance to get organic visibility. But when a niche is flooded with books overnight, your chances of being discovered drop dramatically. So, what do beginners do next? To recover their investment in the tool, they start paying for Amazon ads. But here's the issue. When thousands of people are targeting the same keywords, the cost of advertising skyrockets. Suddenly, breaking even becomes almost impossible. And after a few months, many of these beginners who came in with high hopes just give up. Who makes money in the end? The tool owners and also the YouTubers, either because they are paid by the tool creators or they earn affiliate commissions. Just like a casino, the house always wins. Now, I am not against these tools. In fact, I think they can help some people enter Amazon KDP faster. But the real issue is the marketing strategy during their launches. It makes sense for the tool creators and YouTubers, but not for you as a beginner. By the way, if what I have shared so far feels like the untold truth, please like this video, leave a comment, and help hype it up. The more engagement we get, the more YouTube will show this video to new Amazon KDP beginners. Especially those who might be clicking on all those hype videos. This way, more people can get the real picture and pause before rushing into a niche or purchasing a tool just because it's trending. So, here's my advice. If you see multiple YouTube channels hyping up the same tool feature or the same niche at the same time, be skeptical. Don't rush in. Instead, if you really believe a tool will help you, consider buying it later, even if they use a fear of missing out tactic and tell you the price is going to increase soon. Because usually, after the hype dies down, you will have a clearer picture of whether you really need it or not. And if you wait to publish your books until the hype is over, your chances for organic visibility go up and ad costs usually come back down. Also, before you decide on a niche, do this. Check how many books already exist for the niche that YouTubers are talking about and note that number. Then, check again a couple of weeks later. If you see a dramatic increase in new releases, that's a clear sign the niche is being flooded. Next, check the newest arrivals that you think have a good listing and cover design. Are they getting any sales? Finally, look at the BSRs of the books on the first page for that keyword. Ask yourself honestly, can I realistically rank my book among them? How much money would I need to spend on Amazon ads to even get close to their sales numbers? When you think this way, you will avoid wasting time and money chasing niches that look profitable on YouTube but are actually traps. So, don't just follow the crowd. Be patient, be strategic, and you will have a much better shot at building something sustainable with KDP. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, because on this channel I will always share the truth about KDP without the hype. See you soon in the next video.